family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. This video will not be long because I don't have a long list, and I just wanted to be very honest. So the Sephora savings event, as we know, as we enjoy, as we love, is here, okay? You all are shopping. Probably my Rouge girls, y'all are already shopping. Then you have VIP, you have Insider, you have different tiers, as they call it, for the Sephora savings shopping event. But everybody can partake in the Sephora collection, which is 30% off, okay? Rouge members, you know, you get 20% off. I believe it is VIP. You all get 15%, and then you can just simply sign up and be an insider, and you get 10% off of your purchases. And so we have this event like twice a year, okay? So I just wanted to come to the table and be very honest. Like, I'm not going ham, Pam, bam, okay? I don't know about you all, right? But there is a lot going on in this world. I know not a lot of people, we don't talk about it on the fragrance channel and all of that, but there is a lot of like real life world things that are going on. And like, as far as like the shutdown and people not getting checks, right? There are so many unknowns. So I'm not spending, and to each his own. I'm not sponsored. I'm not spending a bukus of money for this Sephora savings event, right? We got Christmas coming up. I know that for me, my primary focus is like my daughter in Christmas, right? I still want her to experience a great Christmas. I've always had great Christmas. I want my child to experience a great Christmas. So that's really where my focus is. So it wasn't on me splurging and buying up new products for this Sephora sale. Like, again, I love Sephora. I am a Rouge member, so of course I love Sephora. To be a Rouge member, you have to spend $1,000 within a year, which is very easy to do. Like, let's call it what it is. Very easy to do for Sephora and some of the products that I do get. So very easy to do, but you have to have that to maintain your Rouge status, right? So for me, I'm going to tell you all some of the things that I purchased. I won't be doing a haul, okay? You'll just know on this video what I got. Check out some of my other recommendation videos if you want recommendations, because they really haven't changed. I was like, let me do a recommendation video. Girl, it ain't really changed. I'm wearing the same old products. But I would highly recommend, there are several content creators that have recommendations, right? They're sponsored by Sephora, so they are able to show you what the new and what their experience is in the new. Please hit up their channel to get all your recommendations galore. But for your sis, in this channel, y'all know, it's just real life over here. And what real life looks like is me really concentrating on having a great Christmas for my child, and less about me and, you know, these random products that I want to try. Either way, I stuck to, that was a lot. Welcome. But I stuck to facial products, okay? There are a lot of facial products that I use, and girl, I'm out. Okay, so clearly I needed this to re-up. And just facial products alone, which is expensive, girl, my basket, okay, and what's coming to me, it looked like I didn't purchase quite a lot, but it's very expensive in my expensive life, okay? So some of the things that I purchased, let's get to the point. So Glow Recipe, this one, as you can see, because I'm going to show you all the bottle, Disgusted and Busted. If you all see some things on it, it's because I use it. So this is where I am on my toner from Glow Recipe. I love this Watermelon Glow toner, okay? Love this down, love the smell, but I also love how it does my face. I wanted to re-up on this. Clearly, I need to re-up on this. So I did get that. That is on its way. So the products that I'm talking about are the products that are on its way. Next up, Tatcha.
What? It is what it is.
You can talk about me, I don't care. But I've been using my Tatcha travel size for a minute, okay? And so I was like, girl, if you don't get the Big Daddy, okay, just get the full size so you can have that for a while. So that is what I did. So I got the Tatcha, the rice wash. I have to like say that 10 times, right? But I got this in the 4 ounce, and if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my phone at my list. But I got the cleanser. This is a cleanser. This is a soft cleanser, but this is $40. So the savings event for me to get 20% off is absolutely what I need, right? But yeah, sis, you know I could have waited because Tatcha normally has a sale for Christmas. I get it. I could have waited for a Tatcha sale because it's probably going to be better. But I'm done with this. I need it yesterday. Okay, yesterday. I can't wait for Tatcha to have its Black Friday sale. I just can't. Okay, if there is something like if they have some sets that come up for Tatcha, I probably will get that, because I know one time on the Tatcha site, sorry, this is supposed to be from Sephora, but for the Tatcha site, they had the overnight cream and the dewy cream, and it was a set. I did not get that, and I regretted it. So if I see that set on Tatcha again for the Black Friday sale, I'm going to get it this time. Absolutely. But either way, the cleanser is on its way. So I'm definitely reading up on the cleanser. So since we talked about it, Tatcha, right? The dewy skin cream. Listen, this is so good, but I have been out. Listen, this is the real. But I have been out. And so what I do is get the refillable dewy skin cream, okay? So I don't need to change up or repurchase the entire packaging. I just get the refillable. So the refillable is in itself, just the refillable is $68.
No, God, please, no.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, Sephora is expensive. I mean, I should say the products are expensive, okay? And they've gone up. So even more expensive at this moment. So like the savings event, absolutely love it. But if you can wait for something, sis, girl, go ahead and wait. You don't need to impress nobody. For what? They don't know you. They don't even know you. They probably not gonna meet you in real life. So don't even worry about it. Get what you want to get or need to get, or if you don't want to, then don't. Okay, that's my speech for you. But either way, I did get the refillable, $68, 20% off of that, okay? Next up, the Big Daddy K. Okay, and let's talk about it. Because what I'm not going to do, let's talk about that too. The double serum clearance. Let's talk about this. This is absolutely amazing and moisturizing and like makes your skin supple and just juicy, right? This is such a great product, right? But it's an expensive product, okay? Again, I don't have your paycheck, so maybe this is like a cheap product to you. But for me in my life, expensive, okay? And so I normally get the like Big Daddy Kane or the regular size, which is like 180 or 140, something like that. Not in this season. No, I did not. So this time I did get the clearance because, as you can see, I need a new one. I need to re-up. That's basically gone. So what I did get though is the 1 ounce. Okay, I know it's not going to last me a long time, but the 1 ounce, that little 1 ounce, is $95. You heard what I said. $95. Basically $100. So I definitely wanted to wait for this event to get the 20% off, but even in that, it's still expensive. Okay, let's keep it cute. It's still expensive. So I got the 1 ounce, and I know it's not going to last me probably a lot. So what I ended up doing is I got the Sephora collection serum. I also purchased that, okay? So what I am planning on doing is going between the standard kind of Sephora collection, like the cheaper of a serum, and this. So I don't think I'm gonna wear this every day, more so maybe 3 times a day in the week or twice. Like I'm gonna chill out a little bit until I can get the Big Daddy after Christmas season, after my child's birthday season, which is back to back. Then I'm gonna get the Big Daddy. But other than that, since I'm gonna stick with this 1 ounce, I don't know. Comment down below. Are y'all in the same real life as me, or are you all in a different life? Because y'all might be in a different life. And hey, clap, clap, clap. Listen, oh yes ma'am, and yes ma'am. One day. But right now, like, it's just so much unknown, so much going on. So I cannot put all my money in one basket called facial care. Like, girl, we don't know what's gonna happen. And I've been during COVID season when I lost my job. So a sis is being cautious. Okay. My business. Okay, moving on. Another product that I need to re-up on in the facial care world, and I'm going to go in between my soft cleanser and then this product, and that is, and again, the bottle is disgusted and busted, whatever, but the Glow Recipe, the avocado one. This one is so good. I love it. And so this is also a cleanser. This is, again, from Glow Recipe. This is on its way, and because this product was like $40, I'm gonna go in between these two. That's just like I'm gonna go in between, my clearance and then a more economically correct serum, right? I'm gonna go in between those. Either way, we're gonna make it work in this season until we can hit maybe the next Sephora sale, and maybe I'll feel more comfortable with like spending a little bit more like I'm used to, right? But yeah, anyway, the only thing that I have that's on its way fragrance wise is the 7 Virtues, and that is the Buttercream Haze. I'm interested in seeing what that smells like, so I got the travel size, which is $32. I was about to get the Marc Jacob Perfect Intense. That one has fig in it, and so I've heard great things about it, and you all are probably screaming through the camera or through the screen saying that it's a good product. But the fig, I have to smell it. Even I know I could get it in travel size, cool, and then test it. Right now, I just want something that I'm like really interested in. And that Marc Jacobs, the new one, love the bottle, beautiful bottle. But I don't know if I was yeah, let me get it now. I more so wanted the Chris Collins newest fragrance. I forgot the name of it, but that new bad boy with the apple and the I think it also has pomegranate in it. That new one, y'all know the name. Y'all screaming it to me. This is casual. I don't know the name. But it was sold out of the travel size. And so I didn't want to go out on a limb and get the big bottle. So I'm going to wait, and hopefully during the Sephora sale, maybe you'll restock during the sale. And I want to get the newest Chris Collins one. I really want to smell that one. It sounds amazing. It sounds like it would be a beautiful apple fragrance that would be up my alley. But other than that, that is it. Okay, short video. That's it. I'm not doing a haul. Y'all know what your sis is getting. Again, I concentrated more on my facial care. The things that I really need to re-up on, that was just me. But I would love to know, what are some things that you're getting? What are some things that you're focused on, kind of maybe reading up on? Or are you just sick of it? Are you like, sis, I'm not spending no money on Sephora, okay? I'm gonna spend money on life and Christmas coming up. Yeah, it's just, you know what? You don't understand how people are really going through and on edge until you hear somebody's story, right? And it becomes life to you, right? I was at work and this lady was telling me, yeah, I don't know if my husband's check is going to come on the 15th. Like, we're waiting. And her husband works for the government. And so, like, when you understand or know those stories that are actually suffering because of the shutdown, you're like, hey, you hear it, you hear people talking about it, but you don't really know, right? And so, girl, enough wake-up call for me, because I might not work for the government, but honey, listen, the shutdown affects us all, right? If people are not traveling, it'll affect my industry, right? Like, less people doing this, it affects us all in so many different ways. So girl, I didn't mean for this to be like a venting session, but I love me some Sephora. I will still be with this small purchase. I will still be a Rouge member for next year. And hopefully, like, next year it gets better, or, just world life, something happens, that it gets better. And then maybe in the springtime, y'all see me do a real luxury bougie haul. But this time it was not bougie, and it was the things that I just need to re-up on. So this is my life Sephora haul, show and tell, whatever you want to call it, okay? Well, again, fam, just let me know some of the things that you've been eyeing, looking at, like the Nessa Myricks setting spray. I wanted to add that. I wanted to add so many things to try out, but it just isn't. But it'll stay in my favorites in my love category, and we'll see, right? From time to time, even beyond the Sephora sale, if I want to get it, or if I want to treat myself, I will. But right now, that's not the focus. Venting session done. Well, fam, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Make sure that you're good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one else has told you that you're more than enough, your sis just did. Okay, fam? I love you so much. Bye.